Hello viewers, once again welcome back with a new topic, super profit method under the valuation of goodwill part 4. Part 1, 2, 3 are related to valuation, overall valuation of goodwill and average profit method, and third one is weighted average profit method. This is the fourth method related to super profit method. See, under this method there are four types or subtypes are available. First one is purchase of super profit method. Second one, sliding scale valuation of super profit method. Third one is annuity method of valuation of super profit method. And fourth one is capitalization of super profit method. First we shall discuss the purchase of super profit method. Under this method, or according to this method, super profit is multiplied by the number of years of purchase of super profit based on the assumption that super profit are expected to be earned in the future. See, under this method, the company is assumed that the company definitely earn the profit in the coming years. That means there is no loss for the coming year. This is the main assumption under the purchase of super profit method. And when companies apply this method, the goodwill will be valued by multiplying the super profit into number of years of purchase. Once again I am repeating, under this method, under purchase of super profit method, the company have the main assumption that in upcoming years or coming years, company does not having any loss. The company having the profit only. This is the main assumption of in this method. To evaluate the goodwill of the company, we can multiply with the super profit with the number of years of purchase. That will be the goodwill of the company under purchase of super profit method. See, it will be clear by solving one problem. See here, problem. From the following information, compute the value of the goodwill under the purchase of super profit method. Average capital employed of the business is 1 lakh. Second information is average profit earned is 25,000. And third one is normal rate of return is expected 15%. Then the value of the goodwill is based on 4 years of purchase on super profit method. See, once again I am telling, capital employed of the business is 1 lakh. Average profit earned is 25,000. Normal rate of return is 15%. And number of years of purchase is 4 years purchase of super profit method. And compute the value of goodwill of the company. Move with the solution part. Solution: compute the value of goodwill. To value the goodwill of the company under this method, before that we should find out the normal profit and average profit. Super profit. Normal profit is, the formula is average capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Average capital is 1 lakh rupees. See here, it is in the problem. 1 lakh rupees is the average capital employed into normal rate of return is 15%. 1 lakh into 15%, that will get 15,000. And find out the super profit. Super profit is equal to difference between the average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is 25,000. This is 25,000 minus normal profit is just we had calculated is 15,000. 25,000 minus 15,000, we will get 10,000 is the super profit. Now find out the value of the goodwill. Goodwill is the multiplication of super profit into number of years of purchase. Super profit is 10,000 into number of years of purchase is 4 years as they are given in the problem. 4 years purchase of super profit. 10,000 into 4, it's equal to 40,000 is the goodwill of the company under the purchase of super profit method. If you have any doubts or any queries, please write it on the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.